We are here today with 7 is Enough. I'm Dawn, and Stone is getting us a spoon as we speak. And this is...
Olivia, we already did really good snow cream.
We did
that was sugar kind.
We did the good snow cream. The best thing to do if you know snow's coming and you know you want to do this is to set a bowl out. Let it snow directly into the little bowl. So if you watched last week, you know that we made snow cream with sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and snow. This week, we're making snow cream with half and half, because it's lower, obviously, lower sugars. Stevia. Okay, so, and we're gonna use vanilla, obviously.
And sometimes if you don't even have pets, you have to avoid brown and yellow snow, you know why? Because animals can come around, so you do not eat that kind of snow.
We don't get the brown or yellow snow.
But if this time it's gonna build snowman. Really icy over here. I know what you're talking about here.
Okay. I don't think it's bad. I think it's actually really good now. It's not as good this week as it was last week because the snow is a different kind of snow. And this week it's icier, but I still think the flavor's good. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Go.
I think this is no guilt snow cream.
Yeah, the brown snow.
You put chocolate in it. It's gonna be good.
That's Hershey's Light.
You wanna try this snow cream?
Hi, Dad. Okay, now listen. It's icier today. It's not the same kind of snow cream. But we do want your opinion on what you think of the flavor.
I have exacting standards on snow cream.
I know.
Low carb.
It's gotta be.
And
Low carb.
I'll tell you a special secret when we're done.
It's
When
a
you're
low
done
carb.
tasting it.
Low carb. Hey, Daddy.
Special secret.
How?
Let me try the
I
chocolate.
think the flavor is pretty good, other than it's icy. I mean, the snow is definitely icier this week.
Before I put some chocolate on it.
You mean to add more?
Give me that one. Give me that one, man. You already have chocolate in yours.
No. I want more vanilla too. Do not put that much.
So we have, if you really want to blow it, chocolate sauce.
And that's
Do
good
not
chocolate sauce.
add a lot. That tastes just like chocolate. It's too chocolatey.
So the carbs are like extremely low.
Yeah, it's good, but it's definitely not as good as the last snow cream.
Olivia,
Because
hand
of
me
the
your spoon.
snow
Because
itself.
of the snow, but not the flavor.
No, the flavor's good.
Hand me your spoon. I want to start. Yeah.
Some
I have to
crunching
say-
associated.
It's good. I prefer the regular snow cream, definitely.
Actually, I think I prefer this.
Really? What do you think?
Yeah,
Stone?
because
Regular.
with this, I feel like it's creamy and good. I could add chocolate and not feel really guilty. You know, like there's,
Yeah.
that's what it looks like. That looks like mashed potatoes. We started out with 10 ounces of half and half and a third of a cup of stevia and 1 teaspoon vanilla, and we altered it, and we ended up with about 14 to 16 ounces of half and half and a third of a cup of stevia, and we dissolved the stevia in the half and half, and then we added about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So this recipe is you just add and try it and add and try it, but definitely a good treat that doesn't make you feel guilty, for sure.